Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have LookFantastic's Glow Edit box to show you guys. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so this box just arrived. LookFantastic did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, you guys, again, this is the Glow Edit edition. This has like some of their favorite picks in here. The box is $35, but you can get 22% off if you follow the link down below in the description box. That'll take you right to this box with 22% off. And there is an $80 or more value inside. So let's go ahead and dive in. They do have it in this really nice pink box. These are so nice to save for whatever you like to use these for, because they're just constructed so well. I always tell you guys I save them all the time. So when you first open it up, there's a sneak peek to inside of the box. All right, so let me go ahead. There's not a card or anything in here, so I will go ahead and show you what's all in here, and if I can find out like what the values are, I will add it in like I normally do for you guys. So let's go with this very first product right here that looks really interesting. I have no clue what in the world that is. It says Perfect Glow. It says 7 ampules. What are you? Let's get it open and see. Oh, okay, look, there you go. That's what's inside of here. And it looks like you just shake it, you pop the top, pour it out in your hands, and put it over your face and neck. Ooh, okay. I was not sure what this was when I first saw it. To me, it kind of looked like something that was going to bleach your teeth, and then it said an ampule. I'm like, what? So I was a little confused by this product at first, but now I get it. That's how it is. So it looks like you would use this guy, and then because it has the little top part that will break it off for you, so then you would probably just pull this. Do you pull this off or twist? Okay, yeah, you would take this off and then stick it on the other one when you go to use it. That's really cool. So you have a little ampule set. That is neat. So there it is again, up close and personal. How neat. I've never seen anything like that, so that's really cool. So there's the first item. Now we have, it says Body Blur HD Skin Finish in Latte. Ooh, what are you? Medium dark color. And I'm a little confused. What is this? Shake before use. Apply small dots across your skin. Blend in long circular movements. It says, our multi-award winning hero is your favorite skin filler, but for real. Body Blur distinguishes the appearance of blemishes and makes your limbs seem longer and more perfect than you ever could have imagined. Your limbs? Your arms? Oh no. Use it all over for coffee bronze deliciousness or as a highlighter on collarbone, shoulders, and even cheekbones. I'm going to show you what this is, but if it's something to use with like a bronze or a highlighter, I would rather just pass this down to one of you guys to hopefully enjoy. But it's in this little container right there. That's what it looks like. And you would just use it as like a bronzer or highlighter, or it said to cover up blemishes and something about your limbs. So there's that product, but I will save that for one of you guys. Now we have ooh, I've had this brand before and I really do like it. And this says Brightening Gel Mask. Ooh, I can't wait to try that. And on this guy, it says directions. Apply a generous amount on dry, cleansed skin, avoiding the eye area once or twice a week. Leave on for up to 10 minutes and wipe off with a dampened cloth. Then rinse the skin with warm water. So there's that product right there. Ooh, what's this big guy? This is Clean Deodorant, and it says Mercy Handy. That's a big guy. So you have a clean deodorant. So next we have is this product right here, and I have received this, and I do like it. This is the Ren Clean Skincare Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. It's like a toner. So you have that. You just wipe it across your face after cleansing with a cotton pad or a cotton ball, whatever you want to use. And yeah, all day and night, avoiding your eye area. So there is that product. Ooh, there's still something else in here. What is this one? So this says, oh, it's Sally Hansen. It Takes Two Miracle Gel. Nail color plus the top coat. That's so cool because there's a blue color. So it's a 2-in-1. You have a 1-2 step. And it is by Sally Hansen. And you can paint your nails. And that's an actually really pretty color. So step 1 would be to use the color. And then step 2 is the shiny top coat. So color and shiny top coat. That is so cool. And I believe that is everything in there. Yes, that is everything that's in this box. So for $35 and you can get 22% off, you get a Sally Hansen 1-2 step nail polish, which that is really neat. You have a clean deodorant. You have the Perfect Glow, 7 different little ampules in there, which that's so cool. Then you have this little guy, which can be like a bronzer, highlighter, or a blemish hider upper. And then you have the Ren Glow Tonic Toner. And then you have the Brightening Gel Mask. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that came in this box. Comment down below, let me know, what did you think of the items that they chose for this Glow Edit box? That is some really neat products in there, and I'm excited because I get to share some of these with you guys as well. So it's a win-win. So that is everything that I have to show for this particular video, you guys. Comment down below again, let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.